You must have heard or invested in any cryptocurrency once in your life. It is a digital medium of exchange that is encrypted and decentralized. Many people use cryptocurrencies as a form of investing because it gives great returns even a short period. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin are among of popular cryptocurrencies today. If you want to know how to predict the future prices of any cryptocurrency with machine learning, this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the task of cryptocurrency price prediction with machine learning using Python. Predicting the price of cryptocurrencies is one of the popular case studies in the data science community. The prices of stocks and cryptocurrencies don't just depend on the number of people who buy or sell them. Today, the change in the prices of these investments also depends on the change in the financial policies of the government regarding any cryptocurrency. The feelings of people towards a particular cryptocurrency or personality who directly or indirectly endorse a cryptocurrency also result in a huge buying and selling of a particular cryptocurrency, resulting in a change in prices. In short, buying and selling result in a change in a price of any cryptocurrency, but buying and selling trends depend on many factors. Using machine learning for cryptocurrency price prediction can only work in situations where prices change due to historical prices that people see before buying and selling their cryptocurrency. So in this section, I will take you through how you can predict the Bitcoin prices for the next 3 days. We'll start the task of a cryptocurrency price prediction by importing the necessary Python libraries and the dataset we need. For this task, we will collect the latest Bitcoin prices data from Yo Finance using the YFinance API. This will help you collect the latest data each time you run this code. In the above code, I have collected the latest data of Bitcoin prices for the past 730 days, and then I have prepared it for any data science task. Now let's have a look at the shape of this dataset to see if you are working with 730 rows or not. First row contains the names of each column. Now let's visualize the change in Bitcoin prices till today by using a candlestick chart. The kilos column in the dataset contains the values we need to predict. So let's have a look at the correlation of all the columns in the data considering the kilos column. Predicting the future prices of cryptocurrency is based on the problem of time series analysis. The AutoTS library in Python is one of the best libraries for time series analysis. So here I will be using the AutoTS library to predict the Bitcoin prices for next 30 days. So this is how you can use machine learning to predict the price of any cryptocurrency by using the Python programming language. I hope you like this tutorial on cryptocurrency price prediction with machine learning using Python.